They say talk is cheap, but when it comes to talking to your lawyer, that's never true. How can you effectively communicate with your lawyer who bills you by the minute? I'm an attorney at Cornerstone Law Firm, and so I'm often in the position of helping clients with their many problems, but also having clients express concerns about how do I communicate quickly with you without incurring a big bill. So here's a couple of thoughts. It's not just for me, it's for any attorney that you hire. How can you make sure that you keep your own bill down on an hourly case where they're billing you? So a couple thoughts. First of all, try to communicate in writing as much as possible. I found that today most people like to communicate either in person or by phone. I hear sometimes people say a phone call will just be faster. Here's a fact. A phone call is never faster. Never. It's never faster than putting your thoughts in writing. Now, it may be faster for you, but remember, the lawyer is the one who's billing you in return. You getting on the phone, expressing your thoughts, and getting feedback might take you 20 to 30 minutes, and that lawyer will bill you for that time. If you sit down and compose an email and go through and rewrite it and reread it and rework it, it may take you an hour, and it may take the lawyer 10 minutes to read it. You might say, well, why do I care about my lawyer's time? Well, because they're charging you for every minute that they put into responding to you. So if you're trying to keep your bill down, tip number one, put it in writing. Tip number two, proofread that email. Don't just do the stream of consciousness. The way you text your mother-in-law is not the way you want to email your lawyer. Again, you can do whatever you want, I guess, if you're paying the lawyer, but if you're trying to keep your bill down and you don't want to face a huge expense, try to think about how it's going to read. And that means after putting out all your thoughts, go back to the beginning, reread it, check your punctuation, separate it into paragraphs. The reason we have paragraphs, the reason we have punctuation in the English language is it helps the person reading it to read it faster. It helps the lawyer to organize in response to you the different things that they want to say. Number three, in your emails, in your phone calls, try to separate things into different questions. Here's what I mean by this. Sometimes somebody calls and they say, hey, I'm just really worried about this upcoming hearing, and they might say this, and they might say that, and they might say this, and what happens if the judge rules against us? And for them, all of this becomes one big messy question. Try to ask, what are the individual questions I'm wanting answers to? And break your email or even your call out into those. Question number one, here's what I want to know. That will help you to take notes to specific answers they give you so you don't feel the need to call back, email back later, and try to follow up because maybe it all started to get mixed together. Separating your thoughts out will help you to communicate more effectively. Fourth, remember that unfortunately life is not like a TV show, so your lawyer may be running between 45 other cases at the time that you call or email them. Accordingly, be patient in them getting back to you. You harassing them or yelling that I haven't heard back and I called 4 hours ago or I called yesterday to get an answer back, that usually doesn't help you to get an answer faster. And when they're trying to deal with other things, sometimes it can make them think your situation is an emergency and cause them to respond less efficiently rather than prioritizing that with other things going on. Fifth and finally, I think I've said it already, but take notes. When you're listening to somebody on the phone, when you're meeting with the attorney, when you're reading the email, sit down and write out notes to what you notice about it or the questions that you have. That will help you to mentally process it and help you to be more efficient with the time that you have with the lawyer in the future. Obviously, some cases are going to be time intensive and there's nothing you can do about it, but trying to communicate efficiently with your lawyer will help you to keep your bill down and also will help you get a better outcome in the end.